Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company, and we're selling this engine case. I actually have a title for this. The motor number looks like it's authentic Harley stamps here. However, 69 XLCH, I believe, should have been a smooth cover right here instead of having this hump for the electric start. But this is not an older number. I checked it out real good, and I didn't see a number on the bottom of the case, so I don't know what the deal is for sure. I don't have I looked on the inside and I didn't see the date. There's usually dates or something are made. I didn't notice that on this one. So anyway, we're selling this as is. We have a issue right here. Probably wouldn't have to fix it, but there's a little chip right here where the primary cover goes on. And outside of that issue right there, I don't really see any trouble with this. So we're selling this as is. I don't see any other busted things or anything like that on it. And like I say, I do have the Ohio title for it and our company name. So we're basically selling it as a part, even though I have a title for it. So anyway, everything else looks pretty good. All right, well, thanks for looking at our stuff.